Okay, YouTube, this is my latest project we've got going on in the back garden. 2004 Astra Coupe, which needs a bit of love and care. So guess what's arrived just as we're about to pick up the Astra. This arrived this morning, the new spoiler. So we're going to drop it off and we're going to try and get that done next week maybe whilst I'm away with work. Right, let me just shut this up, lock it up. So we're about to go and pick up the Astra. And I can just about see it glinting red over there. So we'll truth be told, I have seen it in paint. I saw it a couple of days ago in the red and looking great. So you're not going to get much of a reaction because I've kind of already seen it, but I think I'm going to be fairly stunned by its final look. So we're going to go have a look. I think what I will do is actually take it somewhere, maybe get the suspension height or how I want it, and then I'll give you a good look around then. So I'm going to take some pictures here just in case it rains later. Might show you them too, but for now this is the moment. So boys and girls, here we are. I can finally do the reveal of the new paint. I've come out to our cliff tops area. You can just about see the sea over there. So let's go. Let's have a take a look at the Astra. We're missing the spoiler, obviously. Couldn't help that really. TNT let us down on that one. But yeah, see how stunning she is in this sunlight. It's going to get another polish in the new year once it's come out of storage again. But it's looking good. I'll just show you a little bit of what we've done on the front as well. We've done the bottom grille in a gloss black, which I think sets the front end off nicely. The wheels are looking good against the red, I think. Unfortunately, that little jacking cover has a couple of broken bits, so I'm going to fix them. I didn't want to lose it, so I didn't put it on. I had to take it off to jack the car up to lower the suspension again, basically. So yeah, looking good, isn't she? So look at the roof, which was all horrible before. It is now deep, glorious red. So yeah, very impressed. MW Bodyworks, go and check them out if you need any work done in the area. This is the kind of work you'll be expecting from them. Gorgeous stuff. Well, I'm not much of a videographer, but I hope you've enjoyed these few shots and got to see what she looks like in a new coat. It's a shame we couldn't get the spoiler done. I think that really makes a big difference to these cars. It just sets the back end off nicely. But never mind, we'll get that sorted soon. And yeah, this is absolutely looking like $1 million now. I'll actually show you underneath the bonnet as well. 1 second. Alright, I can't show you under the bonnet because the cables come loose somehow, so I'll have to reach up there with my hand or something later on. But underneath the bonnet, behind the sound deadening, which I might remove anyway, is fully painted. The slam panel is fully painted. The crash bar is back in red, not black. So just looking good. But that is the end of this video, I think. So thank you for joining us on this journey so far. There is more to go, don't worry. This isn't the end, only for the moment. And we're just going to enjoy this car whilst we can, whilst the sun shines, for the next day or two before it goes into storage. And there's a couple of videos coming over winter. I think if I can try and make them, I will do. But for now, we are signing out. You're not going to get any more videos for a few weeks, maybe a month or two. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. Please give it a share if you can, because there's not a lot of Mark IV content out there on YouTube. I tried to see where mine was in the list if you just search for Astra G or Astra Mark IV, and I couldn't even find myself. So if you can, just share it around. Let's get you know, the story of what we've been through shared around, and try and help some other people. So for now, I'm just going to enjoy the drive, and I will see you sometime in the future. Not sure when, but thank you very much. Cheers for now.